This app is to download any link at all on the internet. And this app right here is literally created using AI. And you too can also create this kind of app right here using any of the AI agents. It might be Claude or Gemini. The best thing about all this is that you can run video ad inside this your app after you have created the app using AI, and the video ad will literally be earning you money. So if this kind of banner ad is displaying inside the app that you created using AI, you will literally be earning money from Google AdMob. And all this process are literally easy and free to do. So that's why I literally want to show you everything right here on this video so that you can have a touch of it using AI agent to create mobile app. So if you're just coming across my video at the first time, my name is Welly, and the video that you're about to watch right here is just what I'm doing. So subscribe and follow and like this video. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Say hi, Welly. Let's get started. So head over to your Chrome browser and then search for Gemini AI right here. Then go ahead and make sure you are on Pro just like this. And then just go ahead and paste this prompt on this place. Paste this particular name of this specific app right here on this place. Then head over to this place and click on submit right here and wait for Gemini AI. So this is the exact thing that we literally want Gemini AI to literally tell us. So now go ahead and paste this other prompt right here on this place, just and then go ahead and edit this name from this template to this specific name of the app that you are creating right here. At the end of the day, go ahead and click on submit and wait for Gemini AI to do its work. After then, go ahead and copy everything right here that Gemini AI literally created or generated. Then head over to a new tab and search for Stitch. Just go straight and make sure you are on app and make sure you are on this modem right here on this place. You can choose any one of them. So anyone is literally free right here. Then go ahead and paste the prompt right here and then go ahead and click on generate right here. So wait for Stitch AI to design the UI UX design. So after Stitch AI have literally designed the UI UX design for you just like this, just go straight and highlight everything and then go ahead and click on export right here. Then go ahead and leave it on AI Studio. Click on build with AI Studio right here. Then it will open up a new tab right now. Go straight back to the Stitch AI and then also click on export again. Then go ahead and click on export right here. Then wait for it to download all this UI UX design into a zip file. So this is it right now. Go ahead and locate this zip file straight inside your gallery, which is your download folder. Unzip this file right here just like this, which is extract. Then remove this zip file right here, just move it to scratch. Then go straight back to Google AI Studio in your browser right here. You will find all the HTML and the image available right here on the chart. So just go straight and be downloading each of the HTML file right here just like this. Then do them one by one. Make sure you download all the HTML file available. So now head over to Antigravity. You will find yourself right here on this place. So just go straight and click on file right here. Then click on new window on this place right now. You find yourself right here on a very brand new window. So head over to this place and click on open folder. And this is it right here. Locate that particular folder that you unzip right here inside download folder right here. And this is it right now. You can actually go ahead and edit it straight to the name that you literally want to be using. But meanwhile, I can just leave it. So you have to move all those .html file that Google AI Studio literally created for you. That means all those files that you downloaded from Google AI Studio, move all of them straight to the particular folder right here that you literally want to import inside your Antigravity. And then go ahead and click on select right here so that the folder will be available right here. Before you do anything right here on this Antigravity AI right here, don't paste any prompt yet. Head over to your Chrome browser again, Gemini AI right here, and then go ahead and paste this prompt on this place. Then make sure you go ahead and click on this plus icon and then go ahead and upload all those .html file that you downloaded from Google AI Studio just like this. So make sure you add all of them one by one. After then, you just go ahead and click on submit right here so that Gemini AI can just start doing its work. So go ahead and copy everything right here that Gemini AI created for you. And then head over to Antigravity right here and paste it right there. So now just go straight to this place and then you click on send. Wait for Antigravity AI to create everything for you right here. and then give you APK. At the end of the day, you can literally integrate your Google AdMob right here inside this app. So Artigravity is on work right here. Just give it a while. After Artigravity have done its work successfully completed, you will find something like this. So go ahead and preview everything that it has done, and then go straight to this place right here. Make sure you go ahead and paste this prompt again. So this is right here. I will drop the prompt right there on my profile. Go straight to my YouTube. Inside my video description, you will find it right there. So now go straight to this place and then click on it right here. Wait for Artigravity to debug and generate APK and AAB file for you to post on Google Play Store, and then share it to your friends, which is the APK, and install the APK also in your phone to test the app on Google Artigravity AI agent right here. So now we are waiting for the APK for us to review it right here on our Android phone emulator right here. So now that Artigravity have literally successfully built the APK file just like this, you see it now. Just go ahead and locate the file. So now that Artigravity have successfully built the APK and the AAB file and released them for us right here, go straight to the home folder. Here you see it, and then click on it. Go straight and click on app right here. Then go ahead and click on build. Then locate output right here. Go ahead and click on APK on this place right here. Also click on release right here. Then this is the APK file right now. So click on this right here, copy it, and then go straight to your cell phone, which is your mobile phone right here, just like this. Go ahead and paste it in any of the folder right here inside this your mobile phone right here. So to install this mobile phone, tell Artigravity to install Android emulator inside your PC. So this is the app right here. Finally, Artigravity AI have literally done its job. So this is how the app looks like right here. So if you click on this place where it says browser, you will find it just like this. And in this place, this is where you can paste the link right here. This is it, and you can literally upscale the video or audio to 4K or any kind of format that you want. So here, this is where the download current progress will be available, and then this is where you can locate your file, and this is the settings right here. And inside the settings, you can literally go ahead and toggle black mode and white mode. You see everything is literally working. You can literally connect every download to Wi-Fi or hotspot. Yeah, so now this you can actually increase the maximum number of download, and privacy policy with copyright is literally available here. So I believe everything is literally available on this app right here, and the app is 100% okay. After you have previewed the app and check everything inside the app that the app is literally working really good, let's go ahead and add some video ads so that advertisement will be showing inside the app. So to do that, head over to your Chrome browser and then go ahead and search for AdMob. So Google AdMob right here showing on this your screen. Then just go ahead and click on sign in right here. Then click on no right here, and then you just have to select the country that you are on this place. So there are a lot of country available right here. Okay, so next thing, you just have to go ahead and click on I have agreed and read to the terms and conditions. Then you just have to go ahead and click on start using AdMob. So what you just have to do, just for you to go ahead and verify your profile, make it look like this right here, just as my own right here is literally verified, and my address is also verified completed. Now head over to this place where it says app right here, and then just go ahead and click on add app right here. Then if you are building Android app, click on this place right here, or if you are building iOS, click on this place. So now just go ahead and click on no right here, because my app, this particular app, is not yet on Google Play Store. But if you have post the app on Google Play Store, click on yes. Okay, so just go ahead and click on continue, and then put in the name of the app right here. Then you click on add app, click on done right here, and click on add ads unit. So when you click on it, you will find all the ad units available right here. So there are a lot of them right now available right here, showing on this screen right here. So add each of them just by clicking on select on this place. Then just go ahead and give it a name, and then you just have to go ahead and leave this on tick. Then just go ahead and click on create ad units right here. So go ahead and copy all this instruction available right here, and then make sure all these ones right here is literally copy and lock side. Then you click on done right here on this place, and then take everything straight to Artigravity, and then just go ahead and paste this prompt right here. Make sure you go ahead and edit this right here.
Anywhere that you see add unit, go ahead and paste the add unit right here. Do them one by one, just like this. So I will drop this particular prompt on my YouTube video description. So just go straight to this my profile, go ahead and watch this video on YouTube, and then you will find a way to get all these prompts right here. Go ahead and click on done. It will take you straight back to the add unit again. Then go ahead and also click on add unit, and then you go ahead and select another add unit right here on this place right now. So give it a name again, and then you just go ahead and click on create add unit. Then go ahead and copy everything right here one by one, just like this. Then head over to the anti-gravity again. Go ahead and paste it right here on this prompt again, just like as I'm doing it right now. Remove the one that is on it right here. Then go ahead and paste the one that you literally copy. So do them accordingly right here, just as I'm doing it right now. Make sure you do that correctly, don't make mistake. After then, you go ahead and click on send. So video ads will be integrated right here on the app. After then, you just have to go ahead and post the app on Google Play Store. So to do that, head over to Chrome browser again and search for Google Play Store right here, just as it is right here, which is Google Play Console. If you find yourself right here, you just have to go ahead and create an account. So you just have to go ahead and click on get started right here. If you are clicking on get started right here, just know that you are not creating a business account, you are creating a personal account. So if you are clicking on get started right here, organization account, you literally know that here you are just creating a business or a company account. So the different are real. So if you literally want to be using organizational accounts on this particular place right here, I will literally advise you to use organizational account, but there are some other things that you literally need to implement, which is the DOS number and a business profile in your country. So to create a DOS number, which is DUNS number, is literally free, and I can help you to do that, but you will only pay for my time. Now, if you are creating a personal account on this place, just know that you just have to pay 25 USDT, and then you still need self tester right here. So this is right here. When you click on it, this is whatever you need right here on this place, so that you can get your Google Console account available for you to post app on Google Play Store. So head over to YouTube. There are a lot of video tutorial about this Google Console and how you can post app on Google Play Store. So go ahead and watch them, because I will not have that much time to literally be guiding you through step by step on how to do this, because it's literally a long process. Okay, so if you literally want to book my session on this, I'm available right here. So now I want to end this video right here. Bye bye for now. Peace out.